Welcome back, Clash fans. Big Bad Lion here with another war recap review. This one's going to be a Town Hall 10 attack by Aruba Reba. He starts out by pulling the clan castle troops with a giant in the northwest. Very good idea. Anytime that you can pull it with one troop and get them pulled off to the side is a good idea. Aruba does something a little bit different. He starts his queen walk with his healers on his queen to kill the CC. He layers the poison spells, which is just textbook, and then while they're in there, they're going to be doing much less damage. So the healers on that queen, they do just absolutely nothing. The queen just pulls through, takes care of it. Releases his golem and starts to release some of his bowlers behind him. And as they're clearing out the sides, they've already started to funnel. In comes the Valkyries. The Valkyries are going to just blow through these walls without any wall breakers whatsoever. Pretty simple at this level. But now the bowlers are coming in behind them. You've got all those tanks in front of those bowlers, and when you do that, these bowlers can just hit from long range and just absolutely bowl down everything, hence bowlers. He does a great job with his freeze spell, freezing that back Inferno, so it's not going to get on these bowlers. His king's not even used his ability yet, and he's already two-thirds through the base. These bowlers are going through. They got caught up by that one Inferno, and he lost quite a few of them, but that's all right. If you look down into the southwest, you'll see that the queen is still walking, still hasn't used her ability, and still has those healers on her. She's in great shape. In the northeast, you've got the king with a few bowlers coming through. You've got a stack of bowlers that's coming through now in the center of the base. Unfortunately, this Tesla locks onto these bowlers and starts taking them out. But the other bowlers in the top, and that poor golem didn't know what he was doing. Sometimes I think these golems have no AI interest whatsoever. They do what they want to do when they want to do it. Sometimes it works out for you. Most of the times it doesn't. However, it does. The cannon does lock onto that one golem, which saves a little bit of damage coming in from the northeast. This queen's going to walk around this south side of the base and just finish clearing it out. It was a magnificent attack. And at a Town Hall 10 level, once you can get those bowlers, get them leveled, and they do work. In today's meta, I talk a lot about Town Hall 9s and how they have to 3-star in order for your clan to be successful in Clan Wars. You also need these Town Hall 10s and these Town Hall 9.5s. In another video, I'll start covering a little bit more of the 0.5 coverage of what they do for a base and how they change your matchup and meta. But it really does make a huge difference if you have the ability to have some 8.5s and 9.5s, which decreases your war weight, but yet still gives you a lot of the attack damage. Aruba's one of our go-to Town Hall 10s. We always can expect a really good war from him. Consistent 5 to 6 stars. Great job, Aruba. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below of what you'd like to see in the future.